Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your PC and any client devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and subnet. Once confirmed, enable network discovery and file sharing in your operating system. This allows other devices to see your machine. Next, pick the folder you want to share, adjust its permissions to grant read or read/write access, and note the host device's IP address so clients can connect directly. These steps open the path for secure, local sharing. Now you configure the sharing mechanism itself. On the host, right-click the folder and use Sharing or Advanced Sharing to publish it. Set a share name that clients will see. Assign access to specific users or to everyone, and consider mapping the share as a network drive from the client for persistent access. Choose a protocol like SMB for Windows/Mac or FTP for broader control, and make sure the host firewall allows that protocol so connections aren't blocked. This step makes the folder finish by testing access from each client. Use the host IP or hostname and the share name to connect, and open files to verify permissions are correct. Once done, secure the share by using strong user passwords, limiting write access where unnecessary, and disabling guest access to reduce risk. If something goes wrong, check the firewall rules, confirm the file sharing service is running, and ensure your router doesn't have wireless client isolation enabled. These are the common causes of blocked access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.